Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Melrose Park, local and long-distance movers near me. We make certain your long-distance move occurs on schedule without stress. We help you with your move no matter how far you need to go, 100 miles or 2,000 miles away. Moving isn't easy, but using the best moving services can definitely make it so much easier. Along with the general long-distance moving services, we also provide each of the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. It's not always easy to justify the price when moving with an Illinois moving company. We look into the key advantages you get. The expense can be easier to deal with. You get the advantage of saving time on your local move, and which may be well worth it. Movers can also make sure you don't need to take care of any of the heavy lifting. With our qualified movers, you receive a very efficient move from start to finish. If you prefer a streamlined moving day, 3 Movers is the best decision for you. A move that would take you all weekend to execute, we can do within one morning. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Melrose Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.